Hello Scratchers. In this video we'll make our first game, and that game would be balloon pop game. So the idea of this game is that we'll have one balloon which will keep on changing its location, and when a user clicks that balloon our score will increase. Now I'll first run this game to give you an idea. So I'll run this in full screen mode, and now when I click this green flag button you'll see that our balloon is keep on changing its location as well as it's changing its color, and we have a score here. So now when I click this you'll hear a sound pop, and you'll also notice that our score keeps on increasing. So in the next tutorial we will start making this game, and we'll include all the mechanics that I've showed you here. So join me in the next tutorial. Thank you.